everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bookmark for any book. A comic book, a reading book, or just any type of book. But first, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell to be part of the Princess family. If you subscribed, type Slime Squad in the comment down below. So let's get started to making a bookmark. So the first step you need the things that you will be needing is a glue stick, washable markers, a ruler, a pen, a stick, and scissors, any type of paper. I'm using white paper, but you can use colored paper or construction paper. The first step you need to get is your pen. Measure how long your stick is on the other side of the paper. Once you know how big it is, turn it to the right side of the paper and draw how long you want it. Make sure it's not too big or not too little. And trace it with your ruler. Do two of the same lengths. This might take a while, and you might have hard time on this part, so make sure you have an adult with you to help you trace these lines. Okay, then close your lid. Then get your scissors and then use the lines that you draw for a template. Your cutting doesn't have to be perfect. The next step is to get your glue. Add glue on your stick and both of the papers. Only one side. Make sure you only do one side of each paper. And both sides of the stick. Then glue your paper on the stick. Make sure you have your paper lying down and don't pick up your stick. Don't pick up your paper. Then place it in the middle of the piece of paper. Then do the same on the piece of paper. Glue the piece of paper down on the stick and the other piece of paper. make sure you cover the stick. Then, if they're not equal together, cut some excess off. You should have this now for your finishing touch. For your finishing touch, you can use washable markers, or you can just leave it white. I am gonna color them, but you don't have to color them. You can use as many colors you want. There you have it. Now you have your own DIY. You made it your own bookmark. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe. Bye everyone.